Recently I ordered cute stuff from Amazon. Let's unbox it. So in this first package I ordered hair oil applicator. Oh my god, what is this? This is not what I ordered. I specifically ordered pink color. See, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. Still, I'll show you this bottle. So on the top it has a comb, and attached to a bottle you can fill your oil, any gel, whatever you like, and simply apply it without messing around. It has ml marking as well. So this is how it looks. So in the another package, guess what is inside? When I first saw them, they gave me beachy sunset vibes. I absolutely loved them. Let's unbox them. I can't wait to show you. These are really cute flower clock lips, but I was expecting multiple colors. But then they too look cute. I'll order in other colors as well. So these are the floral claw clips. They showed so many colors in the picture, but they sent me only in 2, yellow and orange. I got pair of 4. So this third package, nobody can guess it. If you need links of any of these, please comment below. If you want to see more such hauls, please comment below and let me know. So this package has interesting cute coasters. I saw this in many videos. They look really cute under your glass or your cold coffee mug. I love them. So this last package is very experimental. I already unboxed it. So these are called wristbands. Earlier I don't even knew that what do people call them. I used to call them handband, but then Google showed me wristbands. And yes, this has to happen every other time. They fell off the camera. It's used when you wash your face, wash your hands. They are used so that you do not wet your sleeves, your arms. And yeah, that's it for today's Amazon haul. Let me know if you like it. I'll do more Amazon random finds. Thank you. Subscribe for more such videos.